Hi guys, I've picked these up in charity shops over the years. They're the White Wings series of paper aeroplanes. I've never tried making them. Now some of them, I'm looking at this one has some balsa in with it. This one I think is just straight paper. And this one looks like it's straight paper. So I thought we'd have a go. In fact, this one looks like it's been opened. Got a price on it. This cost me £1 in a charity shop. No idea how much they are normally, or even if they're still available. When they say paper, I think they're actually what I would call thin card or cardstock. Okay, so you cut them out. I don't know if there's any instructions. Easy to cut out and assemble. They can achieve flights of more than 30 seconds and up to 300 feet. Well, they won't be doing that in my kitchen. Includes catapult launcher and rubber bands. That's not in there. Okay. So no instructions. Now, dragonfly, sparrowhawk. I expect if I went online somewhere there might be instructions. 1992. Oh gosh, that one. They do appear to be catapult launched. That's a bit of a shame because we won't get the benefit out of them indoors. And if I go and fly them outdoors, then they'll get wet. Ideal sort of thing for a school hallway. So I wouldn't call this paper, this is card, thin card. There's certainly plenty there anyway. Yeah, I'm in two minds whether to make them now, because if I make them and fly them and crash them into the wall and that sort of thing, that's going to ruin them. Oh dear, I'm in two minds now. I've put off doing them for, well, probably years. And that one looks fairly basic. I'll go and get my glasses so I can see what I'm doing, and we'll see if we can cut this one out. I've got some cheap modelling knives from Poundland specifically to do this. Yeah, I'll go and put my glasses on. We'll try this one, see how we get on. If we get on all right, we might consider doing another one. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.